In today's digital age, the internet offers boundless opportunities for women to create their own paths to financial independence and success. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a college student, or a career professional looking for additional income streams, there are countless ways for females to make money online. From freelancing to starting your own e-commerce business, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore 8 ways for females to make money online and turn their passions into profits. Number 1, freelance writing and content creation. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a rewarding way to earn money online. Content is king in the digital world, and businesses are constantly seeking talented writers to create blog posts, articles, website copy, and more. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking their services. You can specialize in niches such as parenting, health and wellness, finance, or technology depending on your interests and expertise. With dedication and consistency, freelance writing can evolve into a lucrative full-time career. For example, start by creating a profile on freelancing platforms and showcasing your writing samples. Reach out to businesses and website owners directly to offer your services, or join online writing communities to network with potential clients. Number 2, virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners require assistance with administrative tasks, customer service, social media management, and more. As a virtual assistant, you can provide remote support to clients from the comfort of your own home. Tasks may include scheduling appointments, responding to emails, managing spreadsheets, and updating social media accounts. Platforms like Virtual Assistant Networking Association, Vanna, and Remote.co list job openings for virtual assistants, allowing you to find opportunities that match your skills and availability. What you can do is create packages outlining the services you offer as a virtual assistant, such as basic administrative support, email management, or social media marketing. Tailor your services to meet the needs of different clients, whether they're solopreneurs, startups, or established businesses. Number 3, online tutoring and teaching. If you excel in a particular subject or possess specialized knowledge, consider offering online tutoring or teaching services. With the rise of e-learning platforms and virtual classrooms, there is a growing demand for tutors and instructors in subjects ranging from academic subjects to musical instruments and language learning. Websites like VipKid, Tutor.com, and Skillshare allow you to connect with students from around the world and share your expertise through live sessions or pre-recorded courses. What you can do is create a profile highlighting your educational background, teaching experience, and areas of expertise. Determine your hourly rate or course fees based on market rates and your level of expertise. Develop engaging lesson plans and materials to deliver high-quality instruction to your students. Number 4, e-commerce and dropshipping. Thanks to e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, it's easier than ever to start your own online store and sell products to a global audience. Whether you create handmade crafts, design clothing, or source products from suppliers, e-commerce allows you to turn your passion into a profitable business. Dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory management and shipping logistics, making it a low-risk option for aspiring entrepreneurs. What you can do is identify a niche market or product category that aligns with your interest and target audience. Set up your online store, customize it to reflect your brand identity, and start listing your products. Utilize social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing enables you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services through unique referral links. As an affiliate marketer, you can leverage your online presence and audience to recommend products that you genuinely believe in. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale, offering a wide range of products in various niches. By creating valuable content and strategically placing affiliate links, you can earn passive income while providing value to your audience. For example, Choose affiliate products or services that resonate with your audience and align with your niche or interests. Create informative and engaging content such as product reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides, incorporating affiliate links where appropriate. Track your performance metrics and optimize your strategies to maximize your earning potential. Number 6, digital products and online courses. Do you have specialized knowledge or skills that others are eager to learn? Consider creating and selling digital products or online courses in your area of expertise. Whether it's an ebook, a video tutorial series, or a comprehensive online course, digital products allow you to monetize your knowledge and expertise. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad provide tools and resources to create, market, and sell digital products to a global audience. What you can do is identify a topic or skill that you're passionate about and have expertise in. Whether it's photography, graphic design, or personal finance, develop high-quality content and package it into a format that provides value to your audience, such as an ebook or a series of video tutorials. Market your digital products through your website, social media channels, and email list to attract potential customers. Number 7, remote consulting and coaching. If you're a subject matter expert or have experience in a particular field, consider offering remote consulting or coaching services to individuals or businesses. Whether it's career coaching, business consulting, or wellness coaching, there is a demand for expert guidance and mentorship in various industries. Platforms like Clarity.fm and Coach.me connect coaches and consultants with clients seeking personalized advice and support. For example, define your niche and target audience based on your expertise and experience. Develop a coaching or consulting program that addresses the specific needs and goals of your clients. Leverage your online presence and testimonials to establish credibility and attract clients who can benefit from your services. Number 8, podcasting and content monetization. Podcasting has become a popular medium for sharing stories, knowledge, and insights with a global audience. By creating engaging and valuable content, you can attract listeners and monetize your podcast through sponsorships, advertising, and listener support. Platforms like Anchor.fm and Patreon provide tools to host, distribute, and monetize your podcast, allowing you to generate income while building a loyal community of listeners. For example, choose a topic or niche for your podcast that resonates with your interest and expertise. Plan and record high-quality episodes featuring guest interviews, solo discussions, or storytelling formats. Monetize your podcast through sponsorships, affiliate partnerships, premium content, or listener donations to support ongoing production costs and generate revenue. So there you have it, 8 ways for females to make money online. The internet offers endless opportunities for women to create successful and fulfilling careers online. Whether you're pursuing freelance opportunities, starting your own e-commerce business, or sharing your expertise through digital products and online courses, the key is to leverage your skills, passion, and creativity to carve out your own path to success. By embracing the flexibility and autonomy of online entrepreneurship, women can achieve financial independence and make a meaningful impact in their chosen fields. So why wait? Start exploring these lucrative avenues today and unlock your full potential in the digital world. And as always, thanks for watching.